Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I will be sharing with you 12 weird job profiles or careers that exist, they are out there, and that pay relatively well or at least above average salaries. And the reason I'm doing this video is because chances are that if you found me looking on YouTube, you are probably looking for ideas on different job profiles that exist out there that maybe you could aim towards in your life. And even for myself, I have already finished my university degree, I'm already working, and even now I'm still not sure if this is really what I want to do for the rest of my life or if there's something else that would interest me. And I think that it's always nice to hear and see what other things are there out there that maybe one of them we think, wow, that's kind of like my dream job, I would love to do that. And maybe this way I can give you some inspiration, and if none of the jobs that I share with you are of your interest, then at least hopefully you learn something new. Moreover, you will see that it will be a very nice mix, I think, between different job profiles of different fields, also different qualifications required. Some of them will require a university degree, others some kind of training, and others no degree or anything at all. And also, before I start, I just want to remind you that all the links to all the sources of information that I will be using in today's video will be just down below in the description in case you are interested. The first job on the list is online dating ghostwriter, which basically consists of creating and writing the job descriptions and profiles for online dating sites of your clients. And for that, all you will need will be very good writing skills that are original and that make the profiles of your clients stand out so that they can succeed in online dating. Of course, this requires absolutely no university degree. It's often done as a freelancer basis, and the average hourly salary is of $23.84 per hour. Next is to become a voiceover artist. So if you have a nice voice and you would like to provide the audio or the translation for different commercials on TV or TV shows or films when the doubling comes in, then this can also be a job or interesting. You spend most of the time in a studio recording yourself. It's done on a freelancer basis. You need no university degree necessarily to do the job, and the pay is around $39.87 per hour, or a yearly salary of around $49,132. Again, it's a freelancer basis, so it will depend a lot on the projects that you get and how much you charge for those. Then, changing drastically of field, you can also become a nuclear power reactor operator, which maybe it's not the most trendy, fancy, and it's also, we know, dangerous source of electricity, but the truth is that we are still highly reliant on it. Approximately 20% of the electricity produced in the United States and 26.4% of the one produced in the European Union are coming from nuclear power plants. Worldwide, based on data from 2018, it is also estimated to represent 10% of the total electricity generated. Leaving aside the industry and the risks of the job, it is one that pays very well, with salaries ranging between $60,000 to $120,000 per year. And in terms of qualifications, it of course requires very specific training on the job, but also often a degree on the field is desired. If you want something a bit less life-threatening, you can become an ice cream taster, which it does not only involve tasting ice cream, which yes, but also you are involved in the production and design of new flavors and ice creams. On that, the average salary ranges between $35,000 to $97,000 a year, and usually a degree within food sciences is required. Changing again completely the field, you can also become a commercial diver. So if you really like diving and you want to make a career to not just be a diving instructor, you can also work for companies doing, for instance, inspecting pipe leaks, pipe valves, bridges, ships, docks, sewers, and even wrecked ships. And the average salary for that is between $35,000 to $96,000 per year. Next, and maybe not so appealing at first, is to become a billboard installer, which of course involves working a bit in heights, and the average salary ranges around $40,000 per year. If you like technical roles but becoming a billboard installer did not get your attention, maybe you can become an airplane painter. As the name already says, you would basically be painting planes and giving them a brand new look, and considering that the airplane industry in general, I would expect it to boom after this pandemic is over. I certainly see a lot of potential for the industry itself. On it, the average salary is around $41,850 per year, and in terms of qualifications, you mostly need on-the-job training. Talking about the booming demand after this pandemic is over, another one that will certainly get benefited will be the cruise ships. On it, you could become cruise ship captain. The salary ranges around $150,000 per year, which is a very nice pay. And of course, this also involves being out in the sea for several weeks in a row. But if you don't mind that and you really like ships and the sea, this can be a good option. Next on the list is to become a forest fire inspector, supervising and making sure that all the prevention tasks possible are done in order to avoid wildfires. As you know, the global temperature due to the global warming is increasing, and this makes wildfires more recurring than ever and posing a bigger threat to all of us. And this job, I think that it's going to become increasingly important also in the future. The average salary for it is around $45,000. Also, regarding climate change and sustainability, wastewater treatment plants are becoming increasingly important. You could become a wastewater treatment plant operator, and for that, it's not the most glamorous job out there, and you certainly cannot be a prince or princess, but it pays relatively well and has a lot of future potential at around $47,760 per year. Another job that maybe at first it's not that appealing, but that certainly has a lot of future potential as there is always people dying, is to become an embalmer. And it consists on preparing the dead bodies and making them look good for funerals. If you don't mind doing this job, then you could earn a substantial amount with more than $48,000 per year. Finally, lastly, and a bit disgusting, is to become a pet food taster. As the name already suggests, you would be tasting pet food and also be involved in the product, the nutritional aspects, and so on. But if you are like me, that you always think that at least food dog and cat dog smells incredibly well, and you are also willing to try it and try different ones, then maybe this job is for you, and you would be earning an average salary around $40,000 per year. In any case, that was it. These are the 12 different weird job profiles or careers. Hopefully you got some inspiration out of it, or at least you discovered some new job profiles that you did not know existed. But now I would like to know, out of all of the ones that I mentioned, is there one that you found interesting? Would you be interested in pursuing a career in that specific one? Please let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to know. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed, and as always, see you next time.